back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new. If you've been here before, thank you. Today I have a purchase that I made from Vettsy. So prior to this, you will see a video of the July box. But this is some of their gel polish. They have a deal going where you get 3 for $73.99. Otherwise, and they're like sets of 6. So I got 3. Of course, they're more fall colors, but I can use them anytime. The box definitely came damaged here. Oh. My light. Okay, we can do this. Nope, no we can't. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. I got a few other things as well. Sneak peek, I'm gonna move it and then grab something to look at. I think I'll grab the 3 extra items I got. Oh, that's right, they did. So, okay. A few things I got. And then I got 2 gifts. I'm assuming, oh, well, already swatched them, but I think they're just for gifts. Anyway, so let's go with this first. So I was looking for a brush. Like this one. Okay, that's fine. Whoops. So I was looking for a brush end like this. Oh, that's not ruin it, Lisa. Okay, so actually, just take this off. So I saw that they had this one, and it came with a small, very tiny detailer on the other side. I will keep this on for now, and it has lid. So I thought, ooh, let me try. I have some of their. That's interesting. Are they supposed to go that far? Oh my goodness, it wrecked it. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Well, that's not good. Oh, sad. I didn't know I was going to do that. Actually, what I'll do is I'll grab some base and just cleanse it quickly. See if I can fix it. Let's see here. All right. So I'm gonna leave this on. So I guess that kind of, all right. Leaves it. So it looks like that. Very cute. Okay, we'll put it up like that. We put it away. Here's $7.99, I think. And then I got 2 more of these fantastic. I love playing with these, getting used to it. You haven't seen me use them yet, because I'm trying to get used to them. But these are charm molds. So this one has 2 different size ice creams right there, and then some cactus, 2 different flamingos there, and then a cross and a shell. I thought it was super cute. And then, get in there. Dang it. Okay, now this one was neat. So I saw that it has cherries. I thought, oh, but it's also got mushrooms or fungi and little Minnie Mouse. Oh, you can't hear. Let me grab this. It has like a little bow there, and it's got a bigger one here, and with a face, it looks like, and then a little one, and then 3. So 3 of those. It's not working very well. So 3 Minnie Mouses, and then 3 mushrooms, and then 3 cherries, which I'm excited to try. My best friend's cherries are her favorite. I thought it'd be fun to try and make some. So that's the other 2. And then I ordered 3 of their 6 things of gel polish, and I got these in the box as well. And I didn't order them, but they are, where did I put them? They are a lovely gift, which is welcome. kind of neat because with the gel polish, the solid gel polish sets, I kept getting a brush because I ordered 3 of them. And with this, came with 2 free polishes. This is Smoky Red. Oh, come on. There we go. Always making bubbles. So it is a jelly. It looks like this. It's very pretty. And then this one. I believe they come, you can get these in their 6 sets. This is rattan yellow. That's what it looks like. And it looks like it's a very beautiful color. Then I will, and it didn't come with these, which is fine because I have a new thing. I'm just gonna, I paint the tops because I need them. Give me one moment. Oh, I'm wiggling stuff. I'm going to make some room and bring the set back up. So these are gel polish sets. You get 6 15 mils. I got Modern Retro, Maple Leaf, and Tea. My swatches. I did open them to make sure everything was okay, and did swatches. Now these do come with the little things for the front. They just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see the lids. Yeah. This one's 1. Excellent. And they're very creamy. Now, I always do 2 opacity when I'm doing my swatches, but they were perfect with one layer, but I'm a little different. Some people just want to. So what is this one? This one is, pretty sure this is Modern Retro. So here's number 1. It's like a beautiful gray. Two is a lovely muted, I have eyeshadow from Makeup Geek, this color. It's like a vintage rose. Here's a blue. And then this baby poob yellow hat. It's beautiful though. I missed 2? I did. Here we go. Oh no, there we go. And then here's the green and the purple. Green. Purple. Wonderful. These will go with my others. I only have 1 other. No, yes. Like this, I have a purple that I got in my very first box. And then I have 2 of the Henna Free that will go with this. So all of these will go with the cat eye. And I knew I got this metal drawer thing from IKEA that I'm going to put together. This is tea. And I love tea, so I had to get the tea set. So I'll just open the orange one here if I can get it out. Yeah, it's a beautiful orange. So I would like to get their olive green set, the purple set, and the pure pumpkin set, I think it's called, with some oranges for fall, but we'll get there. So this is tea. Okay. Yeah, let's see here. whoops. So here's a couple of, there's 1 and 2 here. Brown and a beige, and then here's the orange. Dark brown, I can't tell if that's brown or brown or like a, yeah, sort of like a really deep black grape color. It's beautiful though. And then here is a another browny green poop color, and this burgundy type color. Very beautiful. Can't wait to use them. Other than swatching. Oopsie daisy. Come on, get in the hole. Shaking stuff. There. Here we go. And this is Maple Leaf. There we go. Of course, like you think, they're colors of leaves. Oh yeah, I love gel polish. So much easier than normal polish because you don't have to sit there and let it dry. You just cure it. Okay. Maple leaf. Here we go. It's a beautiful set too. There's a couple. Yeah, just do it like this here. So there's some greens, sort of like yellows. Yellow, like a greeny brown yellow, and then here's like a brownish orange color, and then here's like a more orangey brown, and then 2 different greens. Am I even in frame? Let's hope so. There we go. Beautiful. I need to figure out how to do swatches better or something. I feel like people get annoyed, but that's okay. We're real over here on this channel. I'm getting it into the box. Oops, hitting the camera. Apologize for that. All right. Here. Lovely. I hope you had fun watching this video. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the bell notification. Then let you know when I'm sending out another video. And any suggestions or whatnot, link below or leave a message below. And if you want me to support your small channel, let me know. We can support each other. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.